How to download all files from Google Drive at once. Hey everybody, today we're going to see a quick and easy way to download all files from Google Drive at once. For that, you can just go ahead and open up your search on your Google and then go to Drive. And once you head over here, if you have multiple files or many files that you want to download at once, if you select any one of them and press Ctrl+A, it's only going to select 50 or so files, but files below that will not be selected at once. You can do this method if you have a smaller amount of files like myself. So I have only 11 files and folders over here. Then I can just press download and it's going to start downloading over here. Once you download it, it's going to create a zip file for you, which you can then open. And you should be able to find the zip file over there. So this is the first method. What you can do next is simply go to Google Takeout. Search for Google Takeout and then click on the first link. Then you can see all of these files over here that's selected. Let's just deselect all of them first. And then find Google Drive over here. Once you find Drive, select this. Tap on multiple formats, make sure all of these file formats are selected, click on OK, and then go to next step. Now select where you want it to export, send download link via email. They'll send you a download link, which will allow you to download a zip file, or you can just change the file type to TZX, TZZ, but I suggest you keep it on zip. Now just click on create export. Once you do that, it should look something like this, where you are able to manage your exports. So I've already requested for an export over here. Now it's going to start creating a copy. Now it's going to take possibly hours or days to complete. And once your data is ready to be downloaded, you'll be notified on your email. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.